In this short video, I will teach your dumb brain how to automate tweeting. Only things required are a laptop and Twitter account. First, go to Node.js website and install latest LTS version. Install the VS Code. Then log into Twitter developer website. Create a new application called Twitter_bot. Grab your access token secret API ID and API keys. Then create a folder Twitter_bot on laptop. Then open the folder with VS Code. Press Command+ or Control+ to open terminal. Now simply copy-paste the commands on the screen and copy the code to respected files. Now to deploy this, set up a new Vercel account with GitHub. Now in your VS Code terminal, run npm install gvercel. Then Vercel login. Login from website. Now simply type Vercel and follow the instruction. This will automatically deploy your bot. Now go to the app under cron jobs, click run to test this now. Thank you very much.